Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are diving into date and time in JavaScript. This is an intermediate topic and we will explore the date object, useful methods and how to format dates properly in the JavaScript. So why should we even care about dates and time in JavaScript? Think about real world application, event reminder, logs, user activity, booking system, or even something simple like showing today dates on a web page, and all of these rely heavily on the handling date and time. And also when we work with the API or databases, we often need timestamp for consistency, and of course we need formatting to make dates human readable. Now in JavaScript we have a built-in date object. This object store date from date and time in information as the number of milliseconds since 1st January 1970 UTC. With the date object, we can create, modify, and format dates easily. So let's move to VS Code and see how to create the date. So here is the let now is equal to new date object and console.log now. I just created new date object and print here and I get the output. It gives the current date and time of the as an output. Now next one is the creating date objects. So there are multiple ways to create date objects. If we just call new date, I get it gives us the great as the current date and time, as we see already. If we can create a date with a specific value, for example 2025 17/8 2025, and or using a year, month or day and time separately, like here 17/7 2025 and time is the 1830. And finally we can create a date from a timestamp which is just milliseconds since 1970. If I run this, I get a specific now date by using a simple method, specific date and time from this 17/8 2025, specific with the time by using this in the 17/7 2025 6:30, and from timestamp I get from the 0 means it is the 1/1/1970 000. So these are some useful these are the how we can create date objects. And now let's see the useful get methods of date. So once we have date objects, how do we extract useful information from it? JavaScript provides several get methods. So these are some: get full year, get month, get date, get day, get hours, get minutes, get second. If I run this, I get the date. Let me comment this first. So I get the in the get year, get full year, I get 2025, get month, I get 8, because these months start from the 0. So January is equal to 0 and December is equal to 11. And day of month I get 4, day of week I get 4. So in the days of the week start from 0 is equal to Sunday here, and hours is equal to 16, minutes is equal to 44, and second is equal to 14. Every time you change, second is always change. And so these are some useful get methods in the date objects. Now we also can set these, like we can get pairs of a date, we can also set them, for example changing the year, month or a day. So if you by using this set full year 2020 30, set month, set date. If I run this, I get year change to 2030 because currently is it 2025. Month change from 9 to 8 to 12, and the set date is equal to 25 also. Yes, so 25, 12 and 2030. So these are some useful set methods in the date. Now raw dates are not always user friendly, that's why we use formatting methods. So say in the JavaScript there are some formatting methods like toString, toISOString, to standardize for the APIs, and toLocaleString, only date based on a region. Like in the I am in India, I get the I in the IST format, and toLocale time string, only the time, toLocale string date plus time in the local style. If I run, I get default is the Thursday, 4th September Thursday and 2025 16:46 in the IST format. And to ISO string I get in this 4/9/2025 and time is the another. And to local date string I get 4/9/2025 local time. In the local format, in the IST format I get 4:46. And local string in India I get 4/9/2025 4:46. So these are some useful date formatting methods in the date objects. So, and these are also some similar to these like to local string and to time string and to date string. Nothing some special, just Thursday September 4 2025. So we see how to create date objects by using the new date by using this specific date and time format, date format, by using time format from timestamp from January 1970, and also see some useful date methods like get full year, get months, get date, get day, get hours, get minutes, and get second. And remember, months are start range is the 0 to 11, and date range is the 1 to 31, and the get day is the 0 to 6, means 0 is the Sunday and 6 is the Saturday. So useful date methods we also see set full year, set months, set date. And date formatting here is the ISO format, date.toISOstring, toLocaleString, toLocaleTimeString, and the Indian format. So these are some methods, formatting methods. So where do we actually use this? Showing user-friendly dates in website and apps, adding timestamp in logs or database, building countdown timers or scheduling events, converting time between time zones. So pretty much every web application you have used has worked with the dates in one way or another. And that's the for this video on date and time in JavaScript. We learn about date objects, how to create dates, use get and set methods, and format them for real-world application. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JD Codebase for more short and practical tutorials. See you in the next one.